We're back with some tips and tricks of how to stay safe when getting around Wisconsin dells. Whether you're riding a bike, e-bike, scooter, or electric scooter, you need to pay attention, be prepared, and do the following to stay safe when you're here. 1. Grab and inspect your gear. Make sure your helmets fit snugly to your head with the center buckle under your chin and the front edge 2 finger widths above your eyebrows. Bring water with you to stay hydrated. June, July, and August can get pretty hot in the dells. Make sure your brakes are working, your chain is connected, and your wheels are inflated before you hop on. 2. Whenever possible, ride during the day. If you can't avoid this, wear bright, reflective clothing and use bike lights and reflectors. 3. Know where you're going. Plan your route before you depart so that you can avoid any areas with water, sand, or gravel. That way, you can stay focused and off your phone. 4. Speaking of your phone, don't listen to music or talk on the phone while riding. Leave your headphones and earbuds at home, or if you must, wear only one. Lastly, protect your bike from being stolen by registering your bike with a local police department, marking it with something you can identify, and locking it up whenever it's not in use. And there you go. Those were the tips and tricks of riding around Wisconsin dells. Happy riding!